kumakain. Project Minecraft. Alex. Tapos na yung helmet. Ginawa ni Daddy. Halloween costume ni Aya. Ayan na, Halloween si ate. Prep namin ni Daddy. At tapos na. Roblox tulog. Old.
3 na raw siya. Okay, 3 years old. Wow. Please get your prize. And for our grand winner. And picture this. Okay, sige, kayo mag-exercise sila. Okay, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, and girls scream for one straight time. Starting here. Okay. Okay, so here's how to play. I want you guys to listen carefully. So this is your basketball, okay? 3 ball, no, 3 ball. Player number 3. Player number 3. Player number 3. Do the exhibition. Yes, sir. Okay. Pass the ball to player number 5. Player number 5. Dribble the ball. Okay, pass the ball to player number 1. Player number 1. Shoot the ball. Shoot, put the ball inside. Okay. Number 3. Player number 3. Shoot the ball. Binabatit talaga din. Okay. Sige. So I think, okay, medyo meron naka-gloves kasi siya. Okay. Pass the ball to player number 4. Player number 4. Dribble the ball. Pass the ball to player number 5. Player number 5. Dribble the ball. Pass the ball to player number 2. Player number 2. Shoot the ball. Shoot. Okay. Ang gabi nga, bumalik. Pag ba mo ganyahin mo yan? Yung pangalan mo, sabihin mo yung pangalan mo. My name is Popoy. Uy, his name is Popoy. Okay, how old are you now, Popoy? 4 years old. 4 years old.
Panalo yung ano mo, costume mo, mahal na ginawa ah. Okay. Ganda costume mo. Palo yan, palo. Minecraft.